Here is our little flowchart that we have created in order to find out which ions are present in the water.
Sorry, Miss Fedora, but my parents are sleeping, so I have to whisper. First, we decided to add aqueous sodium chloride. Using the solubility chart, we were able to find an anion that would precipitate out just lead. And this was chloride, so we used the sodium chloride. Then we would add aqueous sodium sulfate. We used the solubility chart again so that we could check to see if calcium or barium ions were present. If the solution precipitated, then barium or calcium would be present. But if it didn't precipitate, then that means zinc ions would be present in the sample. If calcium or barium ions were present, we would then conduct a flame test to identify and distinguish which ion was in the sample based on their flame colors.
How many shrimps do you have to eat before you make your skin turn pink? Eat too much and you'll get sick. Shrimps are pretty rich.
Since there was no precipitate, we were able to conclude that the sample of water did not contain any lead ions. When we added sodium sulfate, there was a precipitate, so we conclude that calcium or barium is present.
That's yellow-green.
Yellow-green. He's observing the meniscus. Look at the meniscus, bro.
When assembling the filter, we decided that it would be ideal to use a clear plastic water bottle as the housing for activated carbon, the most important part of our filter. Also because we're broke boys and it only costed $1.50 to buy. We used coffee filters to separate the two stages of the filter to keep the carbon in and even slow down the flow of the solution to ensure the carbon absorbs the metal ions. Also, it helps filter out any large solids that are part of the precipitate. The reason why we chose activated carbon is because it has outstanding absorption properties and absorbs any of the possible metal ions that would possibly be in the solution.
Thousand years later.
Homemade Brita. Alright, That is how sweaty. The amount of sweat we put into this
Fun.
lab.
Boom! 2 + 2 is 4, -1, that's 3, quick maths.